Today, I'm towing a U-Haul 5x8 cargo trailer for about 488 miles with my Subaru Crosstrek Wilderness, and I wanted to see how it performs on this trip. This is not an empty trailer, it's loaded with a queen-size bed, about a dozen moving boxes, and a few other household items. So it should provide a realistic look at what the Crosstrek is like when towing a trailer of this size and weight. Before hitting the road, here's a quick look at the setup. The Crosstrek Wilderness has a tow rating of 3,500 pounds. For the hitch, I'm using an eTrailer Class 3 2-inch receiver and a 2-inch drop ball mount. I also got a 4-pin wiring harness for the trailer lights. The ball mount I'm using includes a hitch lock instead of a standard pin and clip, and it locks the ball mount to the receiver. I am also using an adjustable coupler lock, which helps prevent the trailer from being unhitched when the vehicle is unattended. With everything hooked up and ready to go, let's get on the road and see how the Crosstrek handles nearly 500 miles of towing. Throughout the trip, I'm keeping my speed around 55 miles per hour, which is U-Haul's recommended maximum towing speed. Driving at that speed also helps fuel economy. We're now at 67 miles into the trip, and the average fuel economy is showing 23.5 miles per gallon. So far, the trailer feels stable and tracks nicely behind the vehicle. Acceleration is lower than normal, which is expected, but highway cruising has been comfortable. Now, at 138 miles, the average fuel economy has settled at 22.7 miles per gallon. And while enjoying the ride, I tune into good old AM radio to see what's playing. As the route continues, I'm starting to encounter some hills and elevation changes. I slow down to around 45 miles per hour on the steeper climbs, and the Crosstrek maintains a steady pace without any issues. At 295 miles, the average MPG has dropped to 20.9, which is not surprising considering the elevation gain. After 488 miles of towing, the final average fuel economy for the trip came out to 22.1 miles per gallon. I stayed close to 55 miles per hour for most of the trip, which I believe played a big role in achieving that fuel economy. Overall, I am pleased with how the Crosstrek Wilderness handled this trailer. It felt stable and comfortable throughout the trip, and the 22.1 mpg average was better than I expected considering the trailer and cargo. I hope these real-world numbers are useful if you're considering towing a trailer of this size with the Crosstrek Wilderness. Thanks for watching, safe travels, and until next time.